Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure cheats are active so you can change the world quickly. Create the Superflat world or edit its preset and pick a snowy biome like snowy plains or snowy taiga. This determines whether precipitation becomes snow. Once done, enable Do Weather Cycle so weather can change naturally. If you prefer control, prepare to use commands. You'll switch the biome and call the weather immediately, which is faster than waiting for random cycles. Now you convert the area and add snow by hand. Use biome commands to set the target chunks to a snowy biome. This makes precipitation fall as snow instead of rain. Then apply snow layers with /fill or repeated /setBlock snow layer commands to create immediate ground cover and shape drifts. Make sure to remove or shield light sources like torches and glowstone because high light levels will melt layers. Once the biome and blocks are set, you can finish by forcing snow, run /weather rain or use /weather thunder after you've set the biome, and the game will produce snow in snowy biome S. If you want constant snow, flip Do Weather Cycle to false immediately after it starts so you lock the precipitation state. Use ticking areas or stay nearby to keep chunks loaded. If snow disappears or melts, check the biome setting first. Then look for nearby heat sources or high light levels and remove them. This is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.